Hey everybody, and welcome to this special edition video all about OML and what we have accomplished this year. We meaning the group and the channel. So we came up with Learn, Stitch, Smile, and that's what we do a whole lot. Here's Dawn and I having a little chat about embroidery. It's everything embroidery on our channel. It's a whole lot of creative Kiwi, stitch out, learning about fabrics, learning about different things you can do with embroidery. This is the newest one, was our cutter there. Of course, we have our friendly digitizing competition and learning everything about the Dream Machine. Lots and lots of stitch outs. We've done lives. Now I'm happy to say Santa Claus is bringing me a new computer, so the lives are going to be even better and easier for me to do. So that means to you that we're going to do more of them, and it's a lot of fun and we love it. So classes, we have done so many classes. There are over 300 videos up on the OML Embroidery YouTube channel. 300 videos. There is something for everyone on the channel. And we have all accomplished so much. We cannot do it without you. I hope the channel keeps growing. OML Embroidery University, the Facebook group, we have 2,655 members, and the OML Embroidery YouTube channel, we reached 11,000 subscribers. So let's do more of that. That is awesome. I'm so happy. Here's one of our favorite classes of the year. This is Frank Bug. We learned a lot with Frank Bug. We learned about making nice connections, how to plot out your design, and I did it in a whole bunch of different software, so it really helped. So I'd like to say to everyone, thank you so much for your support and for supporting the channel. We're trying something new with this channel. We're trying to keep everything free. So all I need from you guys is people to subscribe. The more subscribers we have, the better the channel is going to be, the more YouTube notices the channel. Make sure you like and share as much as you can. Make sure everybody knows about OML Embroidery YouTube channel and what you can find on the channel, everything embroidery. We want to make more videos. We want to keep this going and make it better year after year, so you can have a fantastic education, learn new stuff, learn about digitizing. The videos are free and your support is free. All we need is your participation. So thanks everyone for a fantastic 2018. I cannot wait to see what 2019 is going to bring us. So thanks everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video.